Alright, let's see if we could start this thing. It's always a little tricky. There we go, beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, let her warm up a little bit. I love it. It's about 8 a.m. in the morning. Winds are about 5, gust 3. It's about 55 degrees out here this morning. Tide is on its way out just south of Myrtle Beach. It's a beautiful day. Not too many people out here, so let's warm her up, baby. Ultralight gut to tower. I am preparing for takeoff. Tower to ultralight gut. You are clear for go. We have liftoff. We have liftoff. I repeat, we are airborne. We are airborne. It's a beautiful day here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. If you feel any bumps, it's probably just a little bit of turbulence. Do not get scared. Rest assured, the captain and co-captain have it under control. A little bit chilly up here at 100 feet up. Look at that ocean. Wow, is that beautiful. Breathtaking. Whoa, look at that. There's a pool on the second floor. That is awesome. Wow. I didn't even think they could do that. Run to the hills. Run for your lives. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We are starting our descent.
Like